Pickled herring holds a special place in the hearts and kitchens of both Ashkenazi Jews and Scandinavians. This simple dish, preserved in brine, transcends its humble origins to become a culinary symbol of tradition and heritage. For Ashkenazi Jews, pickled herring evokes memories of Eastern Europe. It was an affordable, shelf-stable source of protein, readily available in bustling markets. Scandinavians, too, have long relied on pickled herring as a staple food. Their history with this fish dates back centuries, to a time when preservation was essential for survival during long winters. While their geographical origins differ, the love for pickled herring unites these cultures. It represents resourcefulness, tradition, and the art of preserving nature's bounty. Pickled herring, passed down through generations, is more than just food. It's a taste of history. The process of pickling herring, while relatively simple, is a testament to culinary ingenuity. The journey from fresh fish to a flavor-packed delicacy involves a carefully orchestrated interplay of salt, thyme, and often an array of aromatic spices. Traditionally, herring is first cleaned and filleted. Then, it undergoes a salting process, either dry-cured or submerged in a brine solution. This draws out moisture and begins the preservation process. The salting period can range from a few days to several weeks depending on the desired texture and intensity of flavor. Once cured, the herring is ready for its flavorful transformation. A pickling liquid, typically a blend of vinegar, water, sugar, and spices, is prepared. Common additions include peppercorns, bay leaves, mustard seeds, and onions, each contributing to the final flavor profile. The cured herring is then layered with these aromatics in a jar, completely submerged in the pickling brine. Pickled herring is a testament to the captivating interplay of contrasting flavors. It's a culinary dance between salty and sweet, tangy and savory, a harmonious blend that tantalizes taste buds. The initial burst of saltiness, a hallmark of the curing process, is beautifully tempered by the sweetness of the pickling brine. The vinegar adds a refreshing tang, cutting through the richness of the fish and awakening the palate. And then come the spices, each layer of flavor, from the warm peppercorns to the earthy bay leaves, adding another dimension of complexity. This unique flavor profile is precisely why pickled herring has captivated palates for generations. It's a taste that lingers, a delightful combination of the familiar and the unexpected. Whether enjoyed as a simple appetizer or incorporated into a more elaborate dish, pickled herring never fails to deliver a burst of flavor. Section 4. Serving up tradition, pickled herring on the table. Pickled herring, with its unique flavor profile and cultural significance, takes center stage on both festive and everyday tables. Its versatility shines through in a myriad of serving styles, showcasing its adaptability to various culinary traditions. In Ashkenazi Jewish cuisine, pickled herring often graces the table during Passover seders. It's a symbolic food, representing the bitterness of slavery and the hope for a sweeter future. Served on pieces of matzah, the unleavened bread of the holiday, pickled herring provides a salty, tangy counterpoint to the cracker's blandness. Scandinavians, on the other hand, often enjoy pickled herring as part of a smorgasbord. It shares the spotlight with other delicacies like gravlax, cheeses, and dark bread. The herring, with its vibrant flavor, adds a delightful complexity to this array of culinary delights. It's also a popular accompaniment to aquavit, a caraway-flavored spirit. Section 5. Crafting your own tips for homemade pickled herring. While store-bought pickled herring is readily available, there's a certain satisfaction that comes from crafting this culinary treasure at home. The process is surprisingly approachable, allowing you to customize the flavors to your liking. Start by selecting high-quality, preferably fresh herring. If using frozen, ensure it's fully thawed before proceeding. The salting process is crucial. It not only preserves the fish, but also enhances its flavor. You can opt for a dry salt cure or a brine solution, adjusting the salting time based on your preference. The pickling liquid offers endless possibilities for customization. Experiment with different types of vinegar, such as apple cider vinegar or white wine vinegar, to achieve varying levels of sweetness and tanginess. Adjust the sugar content to your liking, and don't be afraid to get creative with the spices. Once your pickled herring is ready, store it in the refrigerator for optimal freshness. It will keep for several weeks, allowing you to savor the fruits of your labor for days to come. Remember, homemade pickled herring, Crafted with care and imbued with your personal touch, makes for a truly special addition to any meal.